Good news to Jiangnan fans like us, may Meltik steak na sila. Hey friends! So happy na dumadami na yung branches ng Jiangnan and we're here sa Hemadi branch nila, tawid lang from Robinson's Magnolia. Mukhang maliit but may second floor pa sila so don't worry. And 24/7 silang bukas. This is our ultimate go-to talaga for hot pot. The most value for money para sa amin and their signature sauce nakaka-happy. Pero alam nyo bang meron din silang grill and charcoal pa yung gamit nila which is always a plus. And like their hot pot, ang dami din nilang choices for this like beef, pork, sausage, and gnocchi, shrimp, and scallops. And the recent great news is may upgrade pa silang ginawa. They now offer Meltik beef for their grill. At talagang tender siya kahit ma-overcook mo pa yan. Just salt and pepper, ang sarap na. Sobrang happy ng batang kasama namin that day because of this. Kaya kahit favorite natin ng Jiangnan for their hot pot, hindi rin nagpapatalo yung grill nila. So kung may extra budget kayo, go upgrade to grill and to Meltik. But